We touch several critical aspects of financial well being, and it's clear that we have a comprehensive understanding of these important topics that we discussed with you. Diversification is key to reducing risk in investments. By spreading investments across various asset classes, individuals can mitigate the impact of market fluctuation on their overall portfolio. Effective money management involves tracking income and expenses, setting financial goals, and making informed spending decisions. It's the foundation of financial success and stability. Budgeting is a practical tool for managing finances. It helps individuals allot their income wisely